ministry password. And now I am able to host a meeting. Okay, but I just want to show you something else. I want to show you something which is called Breakout Rooms, which means that you can set up your class into pairs to work on an activity together, and you can give them a time limit for how long you want them to do their activity. So if you click on settings, this is really, really important, right? And you're going to scroll down. There's a lot of different settings here. Basically, you're going to get to Breakout Room, okay? And you have to make sure that it's switched on. Your default setting is it's going to be off, okay? So your Breakout Room, so that means that you can split your participants into a breakout room. Okay, so now I'm going to host a meeting with the video off, just because I'm with you right now. Okay. I don't need the audio. Okay. And then, okay. So, then what you do is, see this box here? Breakout rooms. You can assign participants into breakout rooms, okay? So this is how many rooms you want to set them up into. So say you've got a class of 20 kids and you want to put them into pairs. So you're going to set them into 10 rooms, okay? And you can do automatically or manually. Automatically means that it's going to put the put the kids into the room automatically. I've not really done this before. You can assign participants into 10 rooms automatically or manually. And here are your options. And then you can have the breakout rooms close after automatically after 30 minutes. This allows them to close after, but you can also put a countdown timer for how long they're allowed in there. So they can be for 120 seconds, 60 seconds. Okay, so you can have 2 minutes where they're allowed to do a quick activity in their rooms. Okay, and then you open the rooms. Okay, I really need some more students around to try this out. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you was an annotator. Okay, so I'm going to share a screen right now. Okay, here's a screen. Okay, so something you may not be aware of, but you can actually annotate your screen, and you can do an arrow if you want to emphasize something. Oh, wrong way. This way. Okay, so you can undo that, do that. Okay, so you can draw an arrow. Okay, you can stamp something. Okay, this is correct. Okay, or this is, or this is wrong, right? You can write things. You can add a text. Very important. And there's quite a lot you could do, and then you could just clear the whole thing.